My name is Dominik Schiener. I'm one of the co-founders of IOTA. So I've been in this blockchain space since 2011. And in 2015, we founded IOTA, and together with David Sensible, Sergey Vancheglo, Sergey Popov, we funded the project, and right now I'm leading the foundation. IOTA is a protocol for machines, and what IOTA enables is two things. For one, it enables micropayments so that one machine can start paying another machine, and more importantly than that, it also enables data security. Now with IOTA, you can input data into the Tangle, into the IOTA Tangle, and the data can never be changed again. It becomes immutable, and as such, it enables some very interesting security applications with that. So there are two things that set IOTA apart from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. For one, there's the technology, so we are no longer based on a blockchain, so we go beyond the blockchain itself by having the Tangle. That is the first difference. And the second difference is really our mindset and our approach. So we are really about building up an entire ecosystem, and we want to build a standard for machine-to-machine payments. So the interesting part about our technology is that it can really be applied to very different industries. So it can be applied to mobility, where we're, for example, doing the car wallet, so that the car now has an IOTA wallet and can start transacting. So meaning it can pay the infrastructure, it can pay other vehicles, or it can even enable shared mobility. Or agriculture, where we now have a weather station out on the field, and this weather station is, for one, able to securely collect data, but more importantly than that, it can also sell the data. So now the farmer, for example, has a new business model. So the main way that companies can truly benefit from the technology today is to actually engage with us. So we are a non-profit foundation, and our biggest interest right now is to have an ecosystem. And as such, we want to bring those bigger companies and those conglomerates on board of the IOTA Foundation to innovate together with us. Our biggest goal is to really build a standard. And what we mean with building a standard is that it's not just Volkswagen or Daimler using our technology, but it's the entire ecosystem. And what's important for this ecosystem is not just industry and corporate driven, but it's really permissionless. And what permissionless means for us is that anyone is able to participate, utilize our technology, and innovate with it.